Do you have a Windows computer? Keep watching. I got tired of software companies only making half of a solution for Windows cleaning, so I made my own. SwiftClean is a tool I developed over the course of a few months to give you an extensive set of Windows cleaning capabilities, as many as I could think of. This video will showcase a few of those features. It doesn't look too shiny, but it will clean your computer well. It offers cleaning tools for the unexperienced Windows user, but also the advanced Windows user. Watch the video until the end for a preview, like and subscribe for more.